Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 out of memory. So let's get started. Now for the first method, you just need to open the Steam launcher. After that go to library and then select collections. And you need to look for Dota 2. After that go to the gear icon right here, manage and then select properties. Now once this pop up, go to launch options and make sure to type this command -novid space -dx11 and see if that works. If not, you just need to type this command -console space -con underscore log file space console.log and see if that works too. Now for the next method, you just need to go to installed files. After that select verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted file will be recovered and stored safely without the need to reinstall the game from the start. You just need to wait for this process to finish and see if that works too. Now if the problem still occurs, now for the next method, go to the Windows taskbar. After that, select Task Manager. Once this pop up, you need to make sure that you have your memory below 100. If not, make sure to close any unnecessary app. After that, search for Steam. Make sure to select Steam 32-bit or 64. After that, right click and then select in task. Now try to launch Dota 2 again, and before you do that, you just need to go to the Windows icon right here, and after that make sure to restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.